Hello. Today I talk about something out of box. What is the relationship and habit? I can talk about both. Let's talk about something exciting. Once I'm in relationship, then once I was in relationship, then I was so stuck and I'm feeling so bad, and I was in the level of getting suicide. But when I was thinking more and more about this, I when I get married, then I will do suicide. That is thing. All things are going in my mind. Always going in my mind. But one day after marriage, once I get some freedom, and once I get some excitement with my life, then I realize no, it's not good for me. I have some chance, I have some freedom which I can do. I had no idea about cooking. Before a marriage, I have no idea about cooking. But now, when I was starting for cooking, then it was so difficult for me. And at least I can only made a I could only made a tea, not enough. Then I was starting for the cooking. I I cooked every day. I cooked every day, whether it's good, whether it was good or bad. It's never matter for me. Matter for another, it's never matter because my family have a good sense about it. Then I realized it is good, and I daily asked to my husband, today I'm good, I cooked a good food or not, and they replied good, good. Then I'm feeling so happy about this. Then I do it daily. It's become a habit for me, and that is the true meaning of my life. That was the true meaning of life that time. But now it was completely changed for me, because cooking is not a so hard working. Cooking is so simple thing, you can do it with your regular basis. Once you start, you can get it. And then after that I realized I cannot draw the rangoli. Then I started to doing rangoli, making a rangoli. And I once I start, it was so bad, so rough. Then I tell myself, okay, this is the first time you make it, that is not a very bad, it is something good. Then I do it, I did it, another Diwali, I did it another Diwali. Then it's become my habit. I make rangoli, something good, not a very good, something good. Then it is my some little bit change. Then I want to learn something new. Then I start making a item in food, variety of foods. I started this, then I did. Then after that I realized, what am I doing? I think it is enough or not. I think I should do another things. Then I tried makeup. Then I was think that makeup is good for, I think I should try. Then I tried it, and tried daily, and how to get up, and how to keep your makeup fair phrase, and all about this. Then it's gonna stop one day. After that I realized only beauty is not enough, you have to skill up. Then I engaging in this skill, and I once I started with writing. I write daily one page in the night. That time I had a idea about this, but not enough. I writing. Then that time I was thinking that writing is so important. Good writing is so important. Then I started. I did it. Then suddenly I realized it's not enough. Only good writing is not enough. Then I started taking classes. I wanted to strong my basis. Then I take a class. I took a class. Then I take and took, and I feel very better about this. I did it. Then after some days I realized, what am I doing? It's not enough. Let's do something extraordinary. Like then I started a stock market. I did it at least 6 months. Then I realized it's not enough. Only stock marketing not enough. You have to money about this. Otherwise not. And of course knowledge, of course, but it's not enough. So I realized English is so important for that. Then I started to learning this English theory. I know. Then I was thinking that only learning is not enough. Learning with while speaking. Speaking is also enough important, and learning is also important. So why not you do it? Let's try it. I did it. Actually, I am doing this nowadays. I'm not tell you that I'm proper good in, I'm excellent in it, in English, but I'm trying something, some little bit to improve my English, to improve my fluency, to improve my writing in English, by the way, and to improve my sentences. So I did it. And by the way, I have a new show, I have a new noise that reading a book. So I like it. I started it. This is my some little basis.